So, and also dollar yen, if we get down to like 54, so now let's look at cable for a second. I'll bring the grid over for a quick minute. Huh? Alright, now here's pound dollar. This initially looks like good short from the big figure, 1600. We got an L7 on the 1 minute. This is an RV shape. Alright, it's like a little V. The head of the snake is down. Um, where is, I don't know the cable 60-minute is, but let's look at, this is a 5 minute entry, so let's look at a cable 5 minute chart. You know, if you're going to enter at an RV at a 5 minute box, because this is the direction you enter here short, you look at the 5 minute chart. Did I have, oh, I already had a 5 minute chart open, in fact. Alright, so ignore that. Let me just bring it over here. And what we're looking is for that 5 minute to change from support to resistance. Alright. Alright, here's the level on cable. We're at the 1 minute L7. And you can see here we just hit a new low, and then we're up to this area here at the L7. So, all right, let me see here if we can get up there. Oh, we just dropped to 4 or 5 pips. Let's see if we can get up there around a big figure again where we're just at 98, 99. All right, I'll get short at 99. So I'm short at cable. I like this little pattern. Um, Now it looks like also euro dollar. This might be a good area to pick it up for a later maneuver. All right. Oh, thanks, Cash. All right. Cash is also thinking that cable looks pretty good from this area. So we're in. Cable short. This is an RV setup. If you want to know where that hour level is, well, hang on. Let's see here. We got about 4 or 5 pips. Let's just let this work itself out here. Pound dollar. See, here's the 1 minute. All right, so we've broken under the L7. See how the L7 was acting a good support? We've broken under it, made a new low down at 59.70s, 60s. Now we've come up to test this L7 and touch it. Now let's see if we can't. Would be nice is to break back below the L1, which is here at 87. Ultimately, what I'd like is for this thing to come down and try a new low, try to break a new low. But if we can just get down to the L1, that'll be 10 pips on the first half. All right, now let's see what cable 15 minutes doing. Just because we're close to the 15-minute level as well. All right. So here's the 15-minute. See, we had a nice little uptrend. Looks like we peaked out a bit here, and now we're Starting to make a little bit lower low. What we want is 15-minute box, this L1 to kind of hold as resistance. And we want to at least attack the previous lows around in the 59.70s would be nice. Euro yen is actually coming up to a reversal type setup up here around 90. Now, of course, around 91 would be the entry, so you'd want to look at the 5-minute chart. And we've got a higher high. We've broken below the L1 here, and will that act as resistance or it will continue up? Because we've also got a little bit of a lower low. Here was the previous low. Here's a high, higher low, higher high. Now we've broken below the higher low. So this thing could start curling over. All right, good. Pound dollar's up at the 1-minute box. All right, there's 10 on half, 89. All right. Oh, man. I took them both off instead of only half off. That's okay. I'm flat. Meant to scale out of that, so but I didn't. So we'll take flat 10 and done. Well, all right. Well, we got half our 20 already. All right. So we took it to the 1-minute box. I meant to just take one half off and see if we could break a new low, or at least test the new lows. A test of the new lows would have been nice. I mean, we've got the nice bounce off the L7 there. That's what we wanted. Now we just wanted to come and break these 1-minute box. You know it's going to go because we're not in it now. Now I'm sure it'll just like a knife through hot butter, just come on down to 78. It was a pretty straightforward 10 pips, I think. Maybe your spreads were a little off. Maybe you could only get 8 or so, but uh, that was pretty straightforward RV.